Christmas special. Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
It's the holiday season and it's time to make a holiday pizza. What do you have for us?
People are coming. Everyone wants snacks. You're tired of your charcuterie board. Why not a charcuterie wreath?
Pizza style?
Ish.
Let's do it. Show us.
So, 2 types of cheese. We're gonna use today Burrata. Burrata is a cheese from the south of Italy. Very similar to mozzarella, but with a fresh curd inside. We're gonna rub our cheese balls in oil.
Ooh, satisfying.
We're gonna take some smoked paprika, you know, chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose or your toes, depending where you come from. So Andrew, you know here we primarily do pizzas.
Yes.
And pizza related products.
Yes.
And a lot of flour. Important to know that because we're gonna use pizza dough to make something fun and cool. First things first, we're gonna get a pie plate. A little bit of olive oil. The olive oil is just gonna make it fun. We're gonna grab one of our pizza balls. And we're gonna start rolling it out.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
We don't wanna destroy it, but we wanna roll that out. We're gonna set that aside. We're gonna take another pizza dough. Now this is a high hydration dough. That means lots of water, so it's a lot softer.
And how long has this dough been fermenting for?
This has been fermenting for at least 36 hours.
And the longer you ferment it, it gives more air bubbles?
More flavor, it digests, it becomes easily digestible. It works with the gluten strands to become more pliable. Oh my God. Pizza championships, here I come. We're gonna drape our pie plate with the crust. We're gonna keep rolling out the pizza dough. We place our burrata in the center, and then we're gonna just cut little bites. We're gonna flour them so they don't stick together. This is great to do with your kids, your grandparents. Drizzle that with olive oil.
Okay.
And a handful of parm.
Whoa. All right, I wasn't expecting that.
We're gonna coat it with the oil and the parm, little mini bread bites. And we're just gonna go around the burrata.
So is this more like a pie we're making here?
Not a deep dish something. We're gonna make our crust. And we're gonna make a little pepperoni shell flour situation. Last drizzle of olive oil, a little touch of oregano, because, I don't know. And we're gonna bake this for about 20 minutes at 450 degrees. Welcome back to the factory.
All right, so what do we got here?
Now we're gonna work with the mozzarella, the fresh mozzarella, the fior di latte.
Okay.
Fior di latte is a flour of milk. So we're gonna take a pizza dough again.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna open her up. Let's bake some mozzarella.
Simple as that, eh? Pizza dough and mozzarella.
That's it. We're gonna drizzle some olive oil. Give it a little massage. We're gonna slide it into our pizza oven. This is supposed to be a Christmas special.
Absolutely. Nothing wrong with Christmas. I love Christmas. Don't cancel Christmas.
Andrew, the best thing in the world is cranberry sauce. It's also because it's the best marriage of like sweet and savory, and like it's just like bitter, and it makes a great dip. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Oh my God. It's like the best. We're gonna make a sweet and sour cream cheese dip. My favorite thing in the world, garlic scapes. Garlic scapes are fun because they're garlicky but not garlicky. Heavy but not, and it's light and it's fun and it's fresh. Italian cream cheese, which is also known as mascarpone. Just bring it together.
Okay.
You could use Philadelphia, sour cream, Greek yogurt, whatever you want. Then we're gonna throw in our chili cranberry sauce.
Okay, this sauce is very Christmassy. Got some green and some red.
There you go.
And the white.
And the white. Then, so here's a dip platter. This is our homemade pesto. And then we're gonna do it with our prosciutto direct from Italy.
It's looking good. I like the color.
It's very holiday friendly. This is our fior di latte. Now, if we did this properly, there should be a nice, some say ooze. Look at that. Look at that.
This is the burrata wreath.
We're gonna cut into it like a flower. We're gonna open it up.
Pulls apart easily now.
This is our pepperoni cup. We're gonna lift the lid.
Aha.
Take your bread and then just dip it into the warm, gooey center of the burrata.
So I'm gonna take myself this here. I'm gonna wrap it with some prosciutto. I'm gonna do a little dippity dip here. Go for it.
Ho, ho, ho.
Merry Christmas.
Delicious.
So let's go over the two options for this holiday season. We have a
This is our burrata pizza wreath, or our little mozzarella en croûte, or baked mozzarella pizza pocket.
They're both delicious. I personally prefer the baked pizza pocket. Let me know in the comments below which one you would eat. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you're in Montreal, go to G Pizzas with an S.
gpizzas.com.
Make sure you order your pizza from the man.